Whirlpool Cabrio dryer model WED6200SW1 is stuck in sensing mode. This occurred after a PF code was thrown. Clear the PF code by unplugging the unit for 5 minutes, plug the unit back in and press the pause/cancel button. Replace the thermal fuse, and still have the same problem.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. One moment please while I pull up some information for you.
Okay, thanks.
So sadly what has happened here is your electronic control board has died and is going to need to be replaced. The problem here is that you have the user interface, electronic control, and the main electronic control board. The most likely one is the main electronic control that has failed and is going to need to be replaced. Which is this part, and sadly it does not come cheap either. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/Whirlpool Control Sahara Say WPW10111617 app 6015084.html. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
There is not a possibility that it could be something else. I ran the unit in diagnostic mode and never received an F1 code.
Sadly no, with the sensing light lit, tells me that the control is dead. The hard part is figuring out which board is actually at fault. Whether the electronic control or the user interface. The most common is electronic control, as I said, but it could very well be the user interface, and neither of them can be tested sadly. The error does not always come up either.
Thanks. Due to the age of the unit, and the cost to replace the board, I will be looking to buy a new unit. Thanks again.
I would sadly agree with what you're dealing with. It would certainly cost less to buy a new unit than repairing at this point.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.